Muharram, or what is called Hosay here in the Caribbean, was brought by indentured laborers who came directly from India.
My great-grandfather is supposed to have come from the Gorakhpur area, and my great-grandmother, she came from the Punjab.
Hosay, as it moved from Iran to India to Trinidad, had to adapt to the local environment. And the way these adaptations occurred was to incorporate elements of local cultures into the Muharram observances. You have this custom, for example, of people from all over the diaspora coming home for Hosay. You have people coming from Toronto, you have people coming from Boston, you have people coming from London. So it's a time of reuniting the family, it's a time of reaffirming kinship bonds, and it's also a time of connecting with the ancestors. So we need to constantly remind ourselves of who we are and where we came from.